The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Albany County and southeastern Wyoming, southwestern Converse County and east-central Wyoming, until 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were along a line extending from Glen Rock, or 8 miles west of Box Elder, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impact that include Douglas, Glen Rock, Rolling Hills Estates, Laprel Reservoir, Deer Creek, Box Elder, Curtis Gulch Campground and Campbell Creek Campground. This includes Interstate 25 in Wyoming between mile markers 135 and 174. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Cheyenne.